Well, at least Beta Epsilon as a fraternity at saka maraming magagaling doon. At least gano'n din siguro yung ibang fraternities. Pero at least yung Beta Epsilon maraming magagaling doon. Si David, si Cesar Vitora, si Berberba, si sino pa.
All of them are good or brilliant engineers. And you count yourself and Fred Wino as one of them, no? Ano ho ba yung sistema niya, no? Is it a way also, is it a way that you, for example, if there are new brothers of the fraternity who are coming in, do you also mentor them in engineering so that they be good in the practice of their profession? Is that how it works? Or is it just camaraderie?
At saka sa Beta Epsilon, kahit na alumni, nagtutulong-tulong.
And yung kumbaga yung focus niyo is in the engineering profession, karamihan niyo. So at saka the activities of the fraternities masyadong malawak na eh. In fact, Beta Epsilon BE is Brother of Engineers, Beyond Engineering, Brotherhood in Excellence. So it means many things, no?